All right, welcome to day 9 of Unit 3. Today we're going to continue our exploration of enzymes or our discovery of enzymes, and that's going to be with a little activity that we're going to do today that's going to take the majority of class time today. And that activity can be found in Canvas. It's going to be called the Bio Unit 3 Enzyme Activity Lab. You want to make sure you open this assignment on Canvas on your iPads. And my expectations for you for this activity is that every single student completes their own assignment. You want to read and follow the directions with your group. So this is not an individual assignment in terms of you're not doing this by yourself. You're doing this with a group, but every single person in the group is going to be filling out their own information. And you also want to make sure that you're using the lab materials correctly. I don't want to see any horseplay or goofing off with the lab materials. The lab itself looks like this. Let me scroll up here. Please make sure you read all this information, the introduction. It's pretty short. It's just a review of everything that we've talked about last time with enzymes. Now read the purpose, and we're talking about something about denaturation and competitive inhibitors. So that's a really important topic to understand with enzymes. And then please make sure you're also reading the procedure, parts 1 and 2 of the procedure thoroughly. Make sure everyone in the group understands what's happening. Basically, if you have any questions, they could be answered if you just read the instructions here for parts 1 and 2. And then finally for part 3, also read the instructions, but then you're going to also have your data table to fill out here. Every single person needs to fill out their data table, even though you're working as a group. And then you're also going to fill out these analysis questions when you are done with the lab. Again, this should take you pretty much the entire class period once we start here. But before we start, what I would like for you to do is check out this Amoeba Sisters video recap on enzymes. It's approximately 6 minutes long. I'm not going to play it now just to avoid any copyright strikes, but I would encourage you to go check this out before continuing on with your enzyme activity.